Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, all of the above, depends on what time it is you're watching this. This is a piece of that oak that Ray and Sandy sent me, so we're going to turn on the lathe and see what we can spin that down into, see how it goes. But noisemakers are fixing to come on, so kick back and enjoy the show. Thank you. And hey, please, if you're new, like and subscribe, and enjoy.
Grumpy in the shop, sawdust in the air, broken souls gather, pull up a chair. Oak on the lathe, splinters in the groove, hands steady, rough edges get smoothed. Roach clips dangling, medication rolled, therapy in motion, stories being told. Aliens watching, beams through the mist, galaxies rejects on this guest list. Dust clouds rise, therapy flows, where the broken find peace nobody knows. Oak spins round, sparks light the night, in the shop of Grumpy, we're feeling alright. Lathe hum steady, rhythm in the grind, wood chips flying, leave the world behind. Broken dreams patch, scars on display, in the dust we trust, it's the Grumpy way. Aliens creeping, they want a piece, they see the art and they feel the release. From galaxies far to the shop they come, dust therapy sessions where the broken are one. Dust clouds rise, therapy flows, where the broken find peace nobody knows. Oak spins round, sparks light the night, in the shop of Grumpy, we're feeling alright.
Grumpy's lair, sawdust clouds in the air, oak spins wild, the lathe's got flair. Roach clips dangling, meds tightly rolled, aliens whisper secrets, stories untold. Dust therapy where the broken convene, lathe spins truths in a hazy machine. Craft and chaos, a therapeutic scene, Grumpy's workshop where the vibe stays clean. Lathe hums a hymn, a song of repair. Therapy in wood, in the dust-laden air. Aliens smirk, they see the art we prepare. Roach clips hold dreams, reality's rare. Dust therapy, where the broken convene. Lathe spins truths in a hazy machine. Craft and chaos, a therapeutic scene. Grumpy's workshop, where the vibe stays clean. Dust therapy, where the broken convene. Lathe spins truths in a hazy machine. Craft and chaos, a therapeutic scene. Grumpy's workshop, where the vibe stays clean. Knots in the grain, like scars on a soul. Every carve, every cut makes the broken whole. Roach clips sparkle, medication patrol. Aliens laughing, taking a stroll. Welcome to the haven, no judgment, no pain. Just oak and ambition, a sawdust domain. Ships fly free, like thoughts unrestrained. Here in Grumpy's, where the sane feel insane. Dust therapy, where the broken convene. Lathe spins truths in a hazy machine. Craft and chaos, a therapeutic scene. Grumpy's workshop, where the vibe stays clean. Dust therapy, where the broken convene. Lathe spins truths in a hazy machine. Craft and chaos, a therapeutic scene. Grumpy's workshop, where the vibe stays clean. Grumpy in the shop, dust clouds rise. Therapy's the grind, watch the sawdust fly. Medication rolls, spiral to the sky. Aliens hover, got their eyes on the prize. Oak Roach Clip spinning on the lathe. Crafted by the hands, no time to waste. Welcome, come stay, feel the woods embrace. Thank you, Ray and Sandy, you keep the space laced. Aliens in the corners, shadows that creep. Whispers in the grain, secrets they keep. Dust therapy sessions, soul runs deep. Grumpy at the helm, dreams never sleep. Workbench sermons, saw blade choir. Shavings hit the floor, sparks like fire. Lathe hums a hymn, notes climb higher. Craft a little peace in a world so dire. Aliens slide through the cracks in the room, hiding in the sawdust, birthed from the gloom. Ray and Sandy nod, tools resume. In this shop of dreams, creation blooms. Aliens in the corners, shadows that creep. Whispers in the grain, secrets they keep. Dust therapy sessions, soul runs deep. Grumpy at the helm, dreams never sleep. Aliens in the corner, shadows that creep. Whispers in the grain, secrets they keep. Dust therapy sessions, soul runs deep. Grumpy at the helm, dreams never sleep. Grumpy in the spot, sawdust clouds in the air. Oak spinning on the lathe, no time to despair. Roach clips hanging, medication roll tight. Aliens in the corner beaming neon light. Welcome to the shop where the broken souls meet. Dust therapy sessions, beats and heat. Lathe humming steady, tools hit the groove. In Grumpy's domain, broken hearts improve. Sawdust confetti coat the boots and the beard, turning life on the lathe. Never feared aliens sipping coffee out of mugs they stole. Grumpy just laughs, keeps carving the soul. Medicated air, sharp tools on the grind. Therapy's a buzz, leave the stress behind.
Alright, welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time it may be. Thank you for joining me. Alright, we're back in the box, of course. Quick thing here, I sharpened up my carbide tips. I use these diamond cards here, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200. I'll take the carbide tip off the tool, turn it upside down, so the side you're looking at while you're using it, that's the side you put on the card. I'll go for a minute, and I'll go to the next grit, go for a minute, all the way down, and let me tell you, that gets those daggum bits pretty sharp again. And then I also use it for this skew, and it's putting a decent edge back on the skew, because I burn the edge up on that skew every time I use it. Y'all see it, it gets hot, it gets to smoking. Tip of that damn tool burns my fingers half the time, and I can go good on heat with my hands. With my nerves, half the time I don't feel a burn. Before I realize it's hot, it's done burnt the snot out of me and I don't even know it. That's just how it goes. But alright. Oh man, I'm going to super glue this top ring. I just realized it actually cracked, which I got lucky that the stuff just didn't explode on me. The rings anyway, because I kept getting little hangs and catches. But let's see. Let's go ahead and do that now. Put me a little bit of super glue on here, and we will let that thing dry while we tie the clip on. How about it? Alright, it's not too bad. Let me get that to open up. Dust mask and daydreams, the vibe stays gritty. This is where we heal, ain't nothing too pretty. Dust therapy with broken souls, men. Tools clatter, sharp wood shavings descend. All are welcome, this the temple we create. Oh man, I don't want to glue it on or nothing. I got a little bit of glue on the stick. Tools clatter, sharp wood shavings descend. All are welcome, this the temple we create. Sawdust prayers answered, destiny's gate. We get glue every damn one. A little drop of glue went all over the place, didn't it? Roach clips dangle, sparks light the grind. Meditation through creation, peace we find. Lathe spins a sermon, lessons in each turn. The wood whispers truths for those who yearn. Dust therapy with the broken souls, men. Tools clatter, sharp wood shavings descend. All are welcome, this the temple we create. Sawdust prayers answered, destiny's gate. Dust therapy with the broken souls, men. Tools clatter, sharp wood shavings descend. Alright, back at it. This is a piece of the oak that Ray and Sandy sent me. Put that on there, not bad at all. I got 3 more pieces this size and then 2 pieces a little bit bigger, but I got our super glue cap back on. Turned out pretty good, it did. It was tough. Wood, oak is a tough wood, so that's why I sharpened up my tools after the fact. So the next one will turn a little bit better. Roach clips dangling, medication rolled, therapy in motion, stories being told. Aliens watching, beams through the mist. Galaxies rejects on this guest list. Dust clouds rise, therapy flows. Where the broken find peace, nobody knows. Oak spins round, sparks light the night. In the shop of grumpy, feeling alright. Steady, rhythm in the grind. Wood chips flying, leave the world behind. Hit me a sip of my drink. Perry the Carbon Wizard has a lot going on. 1, 2, I'm doing 3 pulls. But he's got the chat turned off. I hope we don't have a troll messing with him or nothing. Perry's a good guy, he's got a good channel. He looks like he's outside in his little carbon shed doing his thing. Alright, we're gonna wrap our thread. Gotta be careful. There we go. Just wrap your way down. Last time you can wrap right over your little pigtail right there, but that's a bit much to wrap down. Excuse me. Alright. And going down the stick. Hope everybody's doing good today. It's a bit warm out there. I needed to be doing some yard work, but daggum, it's just too hot. Don't want to get out there and cook myself today.
Grumpy's workshop where the vibe stays.
I'll let it go a few more days. The backyard will be a little bit thicker, but I just did the front yard the other day by itself, and so I'll let the yard go for a few days. That'll give the front yard time to grow a little bit, and then when I mow it, I'll just do the backyard and the front yard again.
Late spins truths in a hazy machine. Craft and chaos.
Alright, rolling back towards the top.
Grumpy's
Now
workshop.
I'm trying to build up that bottom side just a little bit, so for right here, when you transition back onto the clip, nice. It's all about the same size.
Craft and chaos, a therapeutic scene. Grumpy's workshop, where the vibe stays clean. Knots in the grain, like scars on a soul.
Make sure your string's not all knocked up behind you.
Roach Clip sparkle, medication patrol. Aliens laughing, taking a stroll. Welcome to the haven, no judgment, no pain. Just oak and ambition, a sawdust
Work
domain.
my way back to the top, and then once I get up to the top, I'll wrap the pigtail puller up and do it all over again.
Late spins truths in a hazy machine. Craft and chaos, a therapeutic scene. Grumpy's workshop, where the vibe stays clean.
Alright.
Dust therapy, where the broken convene. Late spins truths in a hazy machine. Craft and chaos, a therapeutic scene. Grumpy's workshop, where the vibe stays clean.
Remember, not too tight or it's not gonna pull back up.
Therapy's the grind, watch the sawdust fly. Medication rolls, spiral to the sky. Aliens hover, got their eyes on the prize. Oak Roach Clip spinning on the lathe. Crafted by the hands, no time to waste. Welcome, come stay, feel the
Wrap
woods
my way
embrace.
back to
Thank
the
you, Ray
top.
and Sandy, you keep the space laced. Aliens in the corners, shadows that creep. Whispers in the grain, secrets they keep.
It's just a bit warm. It's not terrible, but it's warm.
Dreams never sleep. Workbench sermons, saw blade choir. Shavings hit the floor, sparks like fire. Lathe hums a hymn, notes climb higher. Craft a little peace in a world so dire. Aliens slide through the cracks in the room, hiding in the sawdust, birthed from the gloom. Ray and Sandy nod, tools resume in this shop of dreams. Creation blooms. Aliens in the corner, shadows that creep. Whispers in the grain, secrets they keep. Dust therapy session, soul runs deep. Grumpy at the helm, dreams never sleep. Aliens in the corner, shadows that creep. Whispers in the grain, secrets they keep. Dust therapy session, soul runs deep. Grumpy at the helm, dreams never sleep.
We got about a pull of thread left. Not too bad. Wrap that tension up.
Grumpy in the spot, sawdust clouds in the air. Spinning on the lathe, no
I'm
time
gonna let
to
go of
waste.
that because I
Roach
pulled
clips
it
in,
just into the top of it, so it's holding tension. Remember, when you cut your string, cut it shorter than your wrap, so you don't have no knots or tails. And that one is a wrap. Alright, let's break out super glue and a toothpick. Again, thank you, Mr. Ray. This oak is pretty awesome. I like the grain to it. It's tough. Oak is a hard wood, but it makes for cool clips too. And I haven't even put anything on this one. This one is straight raw. I just turned it and sanded it. No Yorkshire, no nothing on this piece. It's straight natural right now. I might do some of that Lichtenberg burning, but I'm not sure. Might not do it on this piece. I might wait. Do it on another one. All depends. Alright, I got my super glue. Walking that drop around the bottom with a toothpick. Make sure I cover up all the thread. Remember, this is the heavy duty polyester that I'm using now. It soaks it up, but it don't do. I mean, it soaks it up good, don't get me wrong, but that cotton just soaked it up a lot better. Alright. And again, if Lichtenberg burned this one, of course you'll see it back. There'll be another part of the video. But I think I'm not going to burn this one because most of the time I do the burning and all before I go through and put the clip on there. So I think this one's a done deal. I think I'm going to leave this one natural like this is. But again, thank you, Mr. A. That's the first one. Hope you all enjoyed it. So this one, it's got a split. I think it's right there. Yeah, it's right there. But we glued it. Alright. There you go. Alright, y'all, thank you. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Check out in the description. I'm going to have a link to Spike Williams' fundraiser in there. We got to do what we can do, spread that word. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.